Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Today is St. Patrick's Day and many of you will be celebrating it by drinking or eating something green. In past years, I've posted some green recipes like my matcha cheesecake, green beans with chili orange oil, and grasshopper chocolate martini. This time though, I thought of something healthier to drink. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my green smoothie. This is a great way to start your day, especially if you're going out tonight partying. Like my other smoothies, this recipe is very easy to make and adds an amazing flavor. So healthy and delicious, you might find an excuse to repeat St. Patty's Day. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll grind some flaxseed in a spice or coffee grinder until very fine, just like this. Next, in the jar of a blender, we'll add a banana, a whole mango cube, a couple kiwi fruits. Now, if you want a great trick on how to peel them quickly, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll also add almond milk, orange juice, some lightly dried basil leaves, which you can find in those little containers, our ground flaxseed, and agave nectar. If you want a great kitchen trick on how to handle sticky ingredients, click on the top right corner of your screen. We'll put the lid on and process until well blended. We'll pour it in glasses and add just a little bit of chopped pistachios for extra flavor and texture. And my friends, this is our green smoothie. Healthy and refreshingly delicious, this is a tasty breakfast drink to start off your day. Although the color is perfect for St. Patrick's Day, nothing's stopping you from enjoying it any day of the year. It's that good. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!